How to add an authorized user to Gemini Credit. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the card section from the bottom bar. Then select the option for Manage Users or Authorized Users under the Settings section. Tap on Add Authorized User and enter the full name, email address, and any other required details of the person you want to add. Review the information carefully and tap Send Invitation or Add User to confirm. The person will receive an email invitation to activate your access to your Gemini credit card account. Once they accept, they can start using the card within the limits you set. You can manage spending limits and monitor transactions for each authorized user directly from the app. Remember, you remain responsible for all charges made by authorized users on your Gemini credit card. Now you know how to add an authorized user to your Gemini credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.